Hey everyone, my name is Bernie Bloom. I'm the CEO and founder of Xandeum. This is the second video of our little sequence of 3 videos for the grand launch of the Xandeum blockchain with a grand launch offer for you. So please make sure to watch all 3 videos. The last one from yesterday was about the opportunity. So I told you why this is a great opportunity. And it has 2 sides, the opportunity. One is you can be part of this movement very, very early on. Our ICO, initial coin offering, is still 4 or 5 months down the line. And you can already be a node owner, a validator node owner right now, and start running your validator nodes on DevNet, on our incentivized DevNet starting August 15th. And discussing things with us and. And the second part of the opportunity is what we're building here. It is so important for the world because it accelerates the transition to more self-determination. So we had, a little self-determination before Bitcoin, then came Bitcoin, which was decentralized money, then came Ethereum, which was decentralized code, and now with Xandeum, it's going to be decentralized code and data, right? To both together so that we can have real programs that are running today on Web 2, we can have them in Web 3 as well, right? And finally build software that mimics our Web 2 applications, but are 100% decentralized on the code level and on the data level, right? And we cannot do that with standalone things or just take some smart contract platform and take some storage blockchain and try to put them together. It just won't work. And those real Web3 apps haven't been built just because the technology is not there, and we are creating that with Xandeum, and that is super, super exciting. So the transformation for you, first of all, you are part of a movement here that's 100% community-owned, community-funded. We are not reaching out for venture capital here, right? It's all us, right? It's all us together. And all the $1.9 million that we received so far from selling our node licenses is all from the community. There's no venture capital, no professional investor in there. As of yet, I should say, because I can't rule out that it might happen in the future when we need really a lot of funds to start our marketing engine towards developers and startups that are building Web3 apps on top of Xandeum. But for now, in this early phase, I don't think it's appropriate to have these VCs in there. I would much rather have it community funded. We have our own DAO already, the Decentralized Autonomous Organization. So if you join this movement this early, it's going to be a transformation for you personally, because you are suddenly part of this movement from very, very early on, part of a vibrant community on our Discord channel, right? With everyone, all the node owners, the other Xandeum fans being excited about what we are building here, what the progress is. And there's progress like every day. Check us out in the news section on our website or on our blog posts. So we are building the future here. And everyone's super excited to help. And even without the incentive to run the DevNet, we already have customers, node owners that voluntarily provide their nodes to help run our DevNet and all these type of things. And also, if you purchase one of these validator nodes, first of all, you're very, very early in. So when the blockchain goes live, you're kind of grandfathered in and you're one of the firsts. And if you look at all the other chains out there that where you can run validator nodes, it's always the early guys that reap all the benefits. Try to run an Aptos validator today, you probably can't profitably do it because all the early guys own that business for themselves, right? So since we are on a very, very early stage here, and not even the ICO has been there, and the DevNet will launch on August 15th, so 3 weeks out from today. We are super early and you can be part of that. And the thing is, even before our chain is ready, you can earn rewards for the validator license that you bought, right? So we just thought you, the community, you help us, right? You're on our Discord, you're voting in our DAO and things like that. So we want to give back and pay you these Zan tokens already now, from the moment you buy that node, without you even have to physically run it, right? So you can be part of all that. And if you buy many nodes, you have that economic advantage of, earning for each and every license that you bought without having to run so many physical nodes later on, right? So that is all awesome, and we have a great community out there. We had our first DAO votes with very high turnout, and that is a great transformation for you. And just tell me another crypto project, blockchain project, where that is the case, right? So we're doing that from very early on, raising from the community. I'm super proud that in the middle of crypto winter, we have raised almost $2 million in several launch events already under the old brand name Bitoku, right? We're just rebranding that to the new brand name Xandeum, and that's going to happen on July 30th. And yeah, it is a really exciting transformation for you. It's an exciting journey. It's an exciting community. You build the foundation to be grandfathered in when the chain actually starts, and you're able to even collect your Zand rewards, which will then be part of the ICO, right? You will be collecting Zand tokens, and we will be launching that Zand token on exchanges in November. We've already, all the foundations are there. There's a Xandeum Foundation and all these type of things, offshore units. So that's going to happen in November, and we're months out, right, until that. And you can be part of this really early on, and that will be a really exciting venture for you. And the most important part is still to come, and that is my third video, right? So make sure, in order not to miss the third video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet, and also give me that thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and I really appreciate it. And in the third video coming out tomorrow, I will give you the full ownership experience. I will explain to you what these nodes are, how you can get one, what different options you have to get one, and I will also reveal the launch offer. The launch offer is going to be huge. It'll really blow your pants off. So don't miss tomorrow's video. But now, thanks for watching this one, and catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.